channel Programs Made Simple. So in today's video, we are going to start a new series based on the programs related to string handling. So what is a string? A string is a group of characters in which each character has a particular index number starting from 0. So for example, the string st is hello sir. So if we are going to count the index numbers, it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. In the string entered, even the space character has a particular index number. Okay, so in this video, we are going to study about two functions related to string handling, int length and char@. Okay, so first, int length. This function returns the length of the string. So for example, if the string is computer, then it will return the output to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That means that this function will return what is the length of the string added. This function returns us the answer in int type. The second function, char@. This returns a character placed at index number passed in an argument. For example, world. If suppose we want to know that what is the character on the index number second. So what we are going to do is string.char@, we are going to write the index number on which the character we need is written. So if I want to know that what character is placed on the second index number, which is this over here, I have to write string.char@2. So the output will be R, as in this case, as the character R is placed on the second index number. So now there is an example coming forward in which you will learn how to use these functions in a program. So the program is wrap to input a string and count these things separately. First, count number of uppercase letters. Second, lowercase letters. And third, we have to count the number of digits, that is from 0 to 9. So let's start the program. Class ABC. In void main, you have to write string st as the question is asking the user to input a string. Okay, so we have taken a string name st, so a string st, int I, L, C1, C2 and C3. We have taken these integers, I for the for loop, L for finding the last value of the for loop, C1 for counting uppercase letters, C2 for counting lowercase letters and C3 for counting the number of digits. We have taken a character ch to check at what index what type of integer, or you can say what type of character is present. Now L is equal to st.length bracket. So over here we are going to count length of the string st as we want to know that till what number the for loop will run. Okay, for loop I is equal to 0, that means the for loop will start from 0, I less than equal to L minus 1 and I plus plus. Over here we have written L minus 1 as you know that if we are going to count the length of the digits, we are going to get one number more than the index number. As the index number starts from 0, not from 1, whereas the length starts from 1, so we are going to write L minus 1. That means the last index entered. Okay, so the for loop will run from 0 till the last index, I plus plus. Ch is equal to st.char@I. Over here we have taken a second function, as I told you earlier, st.char@, as we want to know that at what index what type of character is present. So we are going to write I in the bracket as we want to check every index. So in the for loop, I was taken to check the number of index, so we have taken I over here. Next, if ch is greater than equal to capital A and ch is less than equal to capital Z. This means that if the character is a letter and it is also in the uppercase, then it will be stored in the C1 counter. For example, taking hello 27. So the first character over here is a letter and it is also in the uppercase. So this letter H will be stored in the C1 counter. Next, if ch is greater than equal to small a and ch is less than equal to small z, This means that if the character is a letter, but this time if it is in the lower case, then it will be stored in the C2 counter. For example, over here E, L, L and O. These letters are in the lower case, so they will be stored in the C2 counter. Next, if CH is greater than equal to 0 and CH is less than equal to 9. That means that if the character is a digit and it is between 0 and 9, then we can say that that particular character will be stored in the C3 counter. For example, 2, this is a digit and it is between 0 and 9, so it will be stored in the C3 counter. Similarly, 7, it is also a digit and between the range 0 and 9, so it will be also counted in the C3 counter. So, the counter C1 was for uppercase letters, C2 was for lowercase letters and C3 was for digits. So, we can write system.out.println uppercase in C1, lowercase in C2 and digits in C3. So, that's how you learn how can we use these two functions in a program.